Do you need to scan your ID card? Whether you're booking an appointment, making an intentional purchase, or just simply wanting to back up your information, having a digital version of your ID card is so important. Hi scanning enthusiasts, I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to be going over how to scan your ID card or your driver's license onto one page using your smartphone. So instead of handing over a physical copy, which we know can be really annoying, especially in today's age, you can just scan it and upload it. In most cases, institutions generally require both sides of the ID card to be on one page, and this is where people generally get stuck. The trick is using the right tool to get it done professionally and quickly, because let's be real, we're all in a time crunch. While most scanning devices can do this, a lot of the time we don't have these machines accessible to us in everyday life. And let's be real, a lot of the time I just am too lazy to even try to figure out how to operate these machines. The good news for us is that your phone can actually get the job done. To make scanning easier, in this video, we're going to be showing you how you can scan both sides of your ID card using one page and using your smartphone. So I'm assuming the question everyone's wondering is, why not just use your phone's camera? While using your phone to snap a quick picture might seem like a quick solution, there's honestly some drawbacks. Uncertain quality. Most institutions do require 300 DPI resolution, which unfortunately a lot of smartphones don't have. Manual cropping. You'll have to manually trim the edges to get a professional looking result, and let's be real, that can be really annoying. Extra software needed. Most organizations do expect PDFs, so you're going to need external tools to be able to convert your images. I promise you, with the right app, scanning can be hassle-free and super easy. Let's walk through how you can scan both sides of your ID card on one single page using the iScanner app. It's available on both iOS and Android, so make sure you check the description below to get a download link.
Okay, I'm opening up the iScanner app and here it is. Now you see this blue plus button, I'm going to tap it. Next I'm choosing camera and now I'm selecting ID card mode. Make sure not to forget to switch to both sides mode as well. And now I'm placing my ID within the frame, and look, iScanner automatically captures the best shot for me. Okay, time to flip the card and I'm positioning it again and iScanner grabs the second shot. Now I'm tapping on the scanned ID to check it. I can adjust the boundaries or tweak the colors if I need to. Finally, I'm saving it, converting it to a PDF, or sharing it, all in just a few seconds. And that's it, easy and done. By the way, you can choose different formats here, like JPEG or PNG, for example. I'm personally choosing PDF, and look, the app automatically shows me the size of my PDF. If it's too large, I can reduce the size right away to make sure it's good for email.
I can fax it and print it straight from the app as well. And of course, save it for later with other important documents, which can also be merged as one if you want to do that later on. And just like that, iScanner's AI detects boundaries, captures the best shot, and ensures a clean and professional photo. So now you have your driver's license or ID, both sides on one page, no extra effort required. Make sure to try this out today and never worry about your ID scans again.